Recently, I was taking a consultancy, and in that, the user asked me that he wants to add a feature where he can allow the user to buy the NFT using the native token. So let me show you what he mean. So you can see here, I have already created this entire NFT. So I hope you guys have checked this particular course and you're going to master all of things which you have to know to become a Web3 developer. So let me talk about the feature we have included. So you can see the feature he was talking about, that this is the NFT we have listed in this marketplace. So if I click here, you can able to find these two options for buying the NFT, and here you will find these two methods to purchase this NFT. First, buying with the native currency of the blockchain, whether it's a Polygon, so then you will use METI. If you deploying to the Ethereum, you will use ETH. So you can buy that one. And the second option we are providing, that user can use the native ERC20 token for buying this NFT. So I'm going to use the native token. This one is listed for account number 3 and I'm into my account 1, so I can easily able to purchase, and my account number 3 already have the fund. So if I come back here, if I take you to the ICO, and here you can see that right now I hold this much token, TBC token, and I can use this token to buy. So if you want to buy the NFT using the token, you can come back to the ICO, and from here you can able to purchase the token and you can use it in this marketplace. So come back here, and I want to buy this token, this NFT with the token. So I can click on this and it's going to open the pop-up model, and I can simply click on this confirm, and here I have to make this two transaction. You can see buy NFT with token, click confirm, and finally we have purchased the NFT using our native token. So if I come back here, you will find the NFT we have bought just now. So this is the NFT we have bought, buy token. If I click here, I can easily able to release this to the marketplace. So that's how you can add the feature of buying the NFT using the native currencies. And this one is really powerful in terms of promoting your ERC20 token in multiple platforms. So you can allow this feature in your website, and you can also collaborate with different marketplaces. You can collaborate with different promoters where you can tell them that you can allow my token, so the user can come and they can buy. So in that way, you will open multiple doors for the user to use your token, and your project will kick off. So that's the thing you have to keep in mind. So again, I would recommend you to come back here and check this entire project, that what exactly you're going to build. This is one of the best projects which you can include in your portfolio. It took me almost 7 to 8 months to build this huge course. It's a 40 hours long, and you will master every single thing. If you're a complete beginner, you will master every single thing. So I hope you guys have got an idea that how you can allow user to buy the NFT using the native token instead of using the blockchain currency. So let's see you in the course. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.